Welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I would be showing about one of the premium indicators as well for Lux Algo. So this is going to be about the price action concepts, one of the indicator which is mostly downloaded after signals and overlays, and people love using it a lot. So I will be taking a short video for, let's say, 15 or 20 minutes to explain you all how exactly the price action concepts work with the premium indicator of Lux Algo. Yeah, and as you guys know that we have 4 to 5 indicators, and these are the premium indicators of Lux Algo. We cannot purchase them one time. It's like every month subscription. So let's get started into this video about the price action concepts. If you have missed the previous video, just watch the videos for signals and overlays and about the oscillator matrix. And in this video, we will be seeing about how to work with the price action concepts. Let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. And we open TradingView, and we can see that as of now, we have no indicators over here on it. It's a blank chart. And we open indicators, and we go in invite only, and we can see over here price action concepts. Author Lux Algo. The boots for this indicator is 24.2k, so it's downloaded a lot, is used by a lot of people after signal and overlays. Yeah, so we'll be talking in today's video about the price action concepts. And once I click on this, it comes on our chart. And just to let people know that how to get these indicators is, I've explained last time that we go over here and we type Lux Algo, and once we click on Lux Algo, we need to buy these indicators, and it's always like between $67 monthly. That's what people can afford most of the time. Nobody's gonna do the purchase of annual. And once we purchase the indicator from here, we can do the payment. And once the payment is done, we need to make sure that we use the exact email address, the one which we are using on TradingView. As soon as the payment is done, we need to go here in the TradingView. We need to refresh our TradingView. As soon as we refresh, we can see the invite only option tab over here, and we can select the indicators based on our choices on what we need to trade. Yeah, and as I just said, yeah, we click on monthly over here, and the premium is 57.79. If we click on yearly, the annual, it's around $215. Yeah, so most of the people, every time they go for the monthly option because that's more suitable. So yes, let's get started. We have clicked on the price action concepts. Just to let you know, guys, know that all my videos are for education purposes only. Nothing here is for financial advices. Do trading at your own risk, and make sure the pros and cons of trading, and just ensure that all my videos are for education purposes only. Yeah. So as soon as we click on the price action concepts, we get this. We get to see the BOS, the breakout structure. We see CHOC, change of character. Yeah, change of character. Most of the people, they don't know, and the BOS, some people they know. Yeah. So CHOC, change of character, means that the trend is changing on 1 minute time frame, and BOS means it's a breakout structure. Yeah, there's a breakout, in short, simple. So let's take it to an hourly time frame, and this is BTC USD. You guys will get to see XAUUSD, BTC USD, US 30, US Tech, dollar index, and of course silver versus the US dollar. So we will click on settings. Once we click on settings, we will check one option one by one. Yeah, so let's check show swing high low, and we'll click on OK. Once we click on this, we can see the higher high, we can see the lower low. Yeah, so now let's go on show strong highs slash weak high low and color candles. Okay, so once we do this, you can see that we have dark green, we have light green, we have lightish pink, and somewhere we will be having a dark red. So it's very clearly understood that once it is pink, that means the trend from upper trend, it's changing towards the downtrend. Yeah, but the downtrend has still not started. It's going to move towards the downtrend. That's the reason we see the pinkish candles over here. Once the red candle comes up, the dark red, that means the downtrend has started. And the same goes for the uptrend. When the uptrend is going to start, or the trend is going to change from down to upwards, it will give you a slightish green candle. And once the uptrend has started, you can see a dark green candle. So very simple, yeah. And as soon as the dark green candle starts, then you can go towards the higher highs, lower lows, break of structure, and change of character. CHOCH. So once we click on show breakers, we click on OK, and show breakers is something the same as BOS. It's a break of structure as well, and most of the people they really get confused about this. So and a lot of people have requested as well to Lux Algo to remove this option, because show breakers and BOS is mostly the same. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go towards the by the way, these options will always be default, so they will be checked by default. Yeah. So let's click on trend lines. So trend lines means like we need to see like last 5 candles and patterns, and then show pattern zones, equal head and shoulders, and liquidity gaps. So let's see trend lines. So by default only this was selected, so we will select on trend lines now. We'll click on OK. Here we go. Once we click on trend lines, we can see that, and yeah guys, just to let you know, this everything is real time. Yeah. This everything is real time. Nothing, there is no lagging in this, there is no repaint, not at all. I mean, come on, it's Lux Algo, guys. They're charging us a lot, and you know, they keep updating their indicators every month, every quarterly, every yearly. They keep doing this every time. That means they are always up to date, they are always you know, on time. They make sure that whenever the market structure changes, whenever the market movement changes, they keep updating their indicators. Either it's signals and overlays, either it's price action concepts, either it's oscillator metrics, and yeah. Okay. So as soon as we select trend lines, you can see that exactly the good thing will be that we can tackle in a perfect way on a bigger time frame. Yeah, here you go. So this trend line was coming up, which was very perfect. Yeah, there was 1 touch point, 2 touch points, 3 touch points, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So when this candle got broke out, it came down to retrace, it touched the support, then the resistance becomes the support, and then it bounces back up. Yeah, so it works in a perfect way. And if you also want, you can use a higher you can take usage as much as you want for the volumes as well. These are the volume profiles, and they will give you a lot of edge to your trading. So you can see this 14%, which was a 563.088k, 841.263k. So if you guys know how to use volume profiles, this is going to be a lot of edge to you people. Yeah. If you guys don't know, no worries. I can make a video on this, on how to use volume profiles. Okay. But if you guys want me to explain you very shortly, I can do that. Yes. So this shows you green, this shows you red. 563.088k, 14%. This means that when the market had reached this level, it shooted like a rocket. Yeah, you can see clearly that the buy volume is more, the selling volume is less, and the same thing goes here. And what happened over here is when market touched this zone, the market fell down hard. Yeah, you can see the 4-hour candle. So this shows you clearly that the selling volume is much higher than the buying volume over here. And you can see that 1.5011 million cons were there for the selling volume, and same comes over here as well. So yeah, volume profile is very simple. I just explained it in less than a minute. But if you guys want to see some more exploring on this, you can see some YouTube videos, or I can make a next video on this. Okay, so we will go on patterns. Let's check on patterns. So click on OK, and let's take down to lower time frame, because that's where you can get to see more patterns. Okay, so you can see over here it says detected pattern is none, but you can say there is there's a kind of a channel over here, or a type of cone over here, like an ice cream cone, that the market will start dancing in this, and then it's gonna find out a way. Either it's gonna go up, or either it's gonna go down. Yeah, but as of now there is no detected pattern on H1. Let's go on M30. Once we go on M30, we might get to see a ascending triangle pattern. You see this? So this is an ascending triangle. The market came down, went up, came down, went up, touched down a little on this trend line, and then it's trying to shoot towards up. Yeah, so you can see that it detected a pattern of ascending triangle. People who like to play on the patterns and channels, this is going to be very helpful for them. And yes, as I said, as I just mentioned, this everything is real time. Nothing over here is lagging or repainting, not at all. Yeah. Okay, let's go back in settings again, and let's click on equal head and shoulders. So once we click on equal head and shoulders, we get to see that we don't detect any head and shoulders on this pattern. Yeah, let's take down on H1. Yes, we see something over here, but I don't think so if this is a head and shoulder. It has not detected anything yet. Yeah, and yes, by the way guys, this works on everything. It works on gold, it works on US 30, it works on Nasdaq, it works on dollar index, and it also works on silver. It works on every single commodity, indices, futures, forex, everything. Yeah, so let's not get confused that this only works for Bitcoin. It works for everything. So let's come back on BTC USD. So let's go back in settings. Okay, so let's go on liquidity graphs. Okay, what I will do now is, because there are a lot of things here now, it might be a little confusing for you people. So let me just remove all of them, and I'll take it back to reset defaults. Okay, let's make it blank, everything. Okay, so it comes back to defaults. Let's go here and let's only select the fair value gaps. Okay, here you go. So these zones are the fair value gaps. You see this? Whenever the market will come here, it's gonna respect like an order block. So these are the fair value gaps. So you know what? It has everything in it, and it's highly used by by traders. But trust me, highly used by traders means by the experienced traders, not the beginners, because most of the people, they don't know how to use these settings, and they will just like I've seen some people, they will select all of these options, every single option they will select, and once the chart becomes like that, the chart becomes messy, they will not see each and everything. They will just trade on trend lines, and sometimes they will even not know that on what to trade, because their chart will become so messy that they don't know that they have to see the volume profiles, they have to see the fair value gaps, they have to see the detected pattern, they have to see the order blocks, they have to see the highs and lows. I mean, they will literally get confused, and they will miss out the trend lines, which is the which is the key to success in Forex, you know. So I would always prefer that if you guys have decided to use the price action concepts, just make sure that what suits your trading style. Don't go for each and everything and stop confusing yourself. This will just put you in a confusion, and you will not understand to trade on what, you know, because it's gonna become really messy, like lower highs, lower lows, higher highs, change of characters, break of structures, trend lines, fair value gaps, detected pattern. I mean, you know, even you will not understand at what you're doing. No matter what, no matter how much your strategy is strong, but the more your chart is messy, the more it's gonna put you in a struggle. Yeah. So just check your trading style and just see, like, okay, so I feel that the color candle is going to be very important. I feel that I don't need show breakers. I feel that I need, these I don't need. I don't need the liquidity grabs. I just need to see the trend lines, patterns, and show pattern zones. I don't need to see the fair value gaps, premium discounts. To be honest, I don't need to see them. And Fibonacci levels. There is a lot over here. So to be honest, I don't look into Fibonacci. I keep my trading very simple, and I just go with the order blocks. I see the support resistances. I see the oscillator. I use the oscillator matrix much of Lux Algo, but again, it depends on everybody's trading style, because I had a lot of viewers who wanted me to make a video for the price action concept, so I'm just doing it for you guys. And this is for the Fibonacci experts, that if you are a real expert in Fibonacci levels, then you can take the lower order block bottom, highest order block top, bearish breakout structure, bearish change of character, discounts, premium, swing lows, swing high, depends on how expert you are in Fibonacci levels. Yeah. So once you select them, the Fibonacci level will come as per these golden numbers. Yeah. And general styling, tiny, small, color, tiny, small, top right. I mean, custom alert, these are alerts. So yeah, we don't look much into this. So yes, let's take this now, the option which I've selected. And yeah, here you go. So this is a very simple pattern. And if I would ever trade with the price action concepts, I would just go as simple as this structure. I would see for the volume profiles. I would wait for a detected pattern. I would look towards the trend lines, and I would go with my executions. Yeah. And if you guys want to add icing on the cake to make the indicator more stronger, I can prefer you guys to use the oscillator metrics as well. For example, let me tell you a small strategy. Yeah, for example, let's say you have selected M30 time frame, and you are looking towards for a buy. I will not go for a buy till this above trend line or this pattern is broken. Yeah, I would wait for the oscillator matrix volume to go in dark green. I would wait for the money flow index to come in green. I would wait for the lower volume profile of red, means selling, to go out in gray. Yeah. And then last but not the least, I would wait for the confluence meter to start going in green. Here you go. Yeah, it start going in green, but I would wait for the buying volume to come in dark green. I would wait for the money flow index to go in green as well. It is still in red, and I would wait for the selling volume as well to get grayed out. How to get grayed out? Like this over here. Yeah. So that's it, guys, from this video, and I hope you liked it. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. And if you have liked the video, if you have enjoyed watching this, please share it with your friends, and do let me know in the comments if you guys have any more questions. I will be there to answer all your questions. And that's it from this. As I said, a lot, these screeners are very less used. only the premium indicator, oscillator metrics, price action concepts, and signals and overlays are used most of the time. So, yep, thank you so much, guys, and stay blessed and have a wonderful trading week ahead. Bye bye.